Are you struggling with low FPS, frustrating input delay, or laggy gameplay? This is the ultimate Windows PC optimization guide for gaming in 2025. Learn how to boost your FPS, reduce input delay, and unlock peak gaming performance. This is the only guide you'll ever need to dominate the game. So hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Let's dive in.
Number 1. Remove all unnecessary animations. In Windows search box, search for Advanced System Settings. A new window will pop up. Click on Performance and select Adjust for Best Performance. And select these 3 from the list. Then click Apply and then OK. Reduce CPU usage by disable of background apps, open Settings app and navigate to Privacy tab. At the left side, find Background Apps section. And keep this option disabled to prevent all of these applications to run into background. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Run. Type Temp in the text box and hit Enter. Then delete all of these unnecessary files. These files are just like too many trash in your PC, so delete all of these immediately. Done. And now again right-click on the Start button and select Run, then type %10%. All of the files are also trash for your PC and taking some space from your storage. In my case, its size is only some megabytes, but maybe you can have almost size of 1 gigabit or more. And now again right-click on the Start button and again select Run. Now type here a simple command, prefetch. Again delete all of these trash in your system. In Settings app, come to Display and select Advanced Display Settings. And here you will find Refresh Rate, so select this refresh rate to the maximum value as you can. In my case, I have maximum 60 Hz, but you may have more, so don't forget to watch out this important setting. Launch taskbar by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape in your keyboard. Then navigate to Startup section. And make sure that you have disabled all of these apps in the list. If you keep any of the app enabled, so that app will immediately launches as you start your PC. Again do this. Type temsconfig here. A new window is opened. Navigate to Boot section. Click on Advanced Options here and make sure that both these 2 options are disabled. And also make sure that the timeout is set to 30. This makes Windows not to wait while you have more than 2 operating systems. Thanks for watching and make sure to like the video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, I have suggested you some of my videos to watch them. Love you guys.